Everyone, I'm Rod with Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're on Highway 26 just as you come out of Sandy heading towards Mount Hood. It's a beautiful day today here in Sandy and get a chance to show you a new arrival. This is really a great example of a premium pre-owned leisure travel Unity. Now, if you've done some research on the leisure travel products, you know they're a very well-built motorhome, hold their value like no other. And this is a great example. This is a 2019. And we'll get inside. This is the floor plan called the Unity Corner Bed. This has more floor space than any of their other floor plans. So it really opens up inside. It's got a slide inside. We'll show you that in just a second. Come on over. Try to get you where the noise is not too bad. But I've got Andrew Peters helping me behind the phone, or behind the video today. And so if you have any questions about this, give Andrew or myself a call. We'll be glad to help you, of course. Leisure Travel, again, wonderful presence online. YouTube, leisure travel site. Detailed 45-minute videos on these coaches. They really need more time than we can do in this short period of time on this video. But beautifully done, automotive quality exterior paint. It's 3 coats of paint, 2 coats of clear coat, slightly curved walls which join into the front of the vehicle, which make it very aerodynamic. So technically this is a Class C, but it's not big and cumbersome like a Class C. It drives more like a coupe. Love that about it. Great storage on the outside. They're all equipped a little differently, so when you call in, we'll give you the details on this one. It's got some great options. So let's go in and check out the floor plan. Yeah, so we're looking up front here just a little bit. You'll notice up front you've got your 2 seats. They, of course, both swivel and become part of the living area. This one has the option for the table here that you can mount in between the 2 seats. So you've got a place to be at your laptop or working, having coffee, that sort of thing in the morning. Beautiful cabinetry. This is their cherry cabinetry. And you'll notice we've got a safe option here and then storage to each side. And this is what they call their U-Lounge. And so this enables someone to sit back in the corner, sit at the back, instead of just a typical traditional dinette. It also came with a dinette. You could have this option. So this was an additional fee if you were ordering it to build. Again, great storage cabinets all the way throughout. You'll see them around the coach. Galley area here across from the dinette area. Nice deep stainless steel sink. 2-burner propane stove. Now at the back you've got your corner bed. We've got some covers here, but that's not the important thing. The important thing is it's very easy to get in and out of this. You have entertainment at the back as well. More storage above. Great. I love the way Leisure Travel designs their coaches. There's no wasted space in these. Little great pantry. Everybody likes that pantry, and I know why. You've got a 2-door, 3-way refrigerator. You've got microwave convection, and of course the bathroom at the back. And the accessories come with it if you like. You just have to sit in it. But anyway, we'd love to see you. This is the 2019 Unity Corner Bed. Great floor plan. Excellent condition. Give us a call. Andrew or myself, Rod at Johnson RV.